How to fix Samsung F36 keeps vibrating. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on volume. Now here you can turn off your notification sound. After turn off your notification sound, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.